Hi, welcome to Cisco Live. My name is Melita Sorisho and I'm a product marketing manager for Cisco WebEx Control Hub. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to spend the next few minutes telling and sharing some of the latest features in Cisco WebEx Control Hub. For those of you who may not know what Control Hub is, it's a single pane of glass for IT administrators to be able to manage all of their workloads. And that includes meetings, messaging, calling, devices, and contact center. It provides a single dashboard for admins to be able to manage their users, provision their devices, and set their security and compliance settings. They can also look at historical data and analytics and really understand adoption trends that may be going on in their organizations. They also have access to real-time troubleshooting where they can dig into a specific meeting and understand what may be causing quality issues. Let me show you some of the new capabilities. This is Organization Health Tool in Control Hub. So Organization Health Tool is a central place for customers to be able to receive adoption and performance best practices and actually look into supporting information that are provided to help them understand some of the pinpoints and challenges within the organization. As you can tell here, this organization has a 38% experience score. So we have a lot to do to be able to improve that. On the right side, you're able to see how your score is calculated and what are some of the priorities. Here at the bottom, you'll see a list of insights and action items that you can take to set up your deployment in Control Hub. You can easily click on any of these action items and understand some of the supporting documents and really proactively plan for improvements that may be needed for your organization. Okay, so we now allow our IT admins to set up groups in their deployment in Control Hub. And that allows them to assign licenses for a group of users or even set compliance policies without having to go one by one. So as you can see here in my Control Hub, I have multiple groups set and I have multiple users in each of these groups. So I can quickly go to this group and go to my settings and either provide them with file sharing controls or other specific policies or assign licenses. We provide historical data analytics for meetings, messaging, calling, devices, and even some of our on-prem solutions. I'm really excited to announce today that we are revamping our meetings analytics pages and making them more user-friendly and providing capabilities such as faster load times and contextual filtering. What's great about all of this is that we're also providing this data to you real time. So you no longer have to wait 24 hours to access your data analytics. You can actually access that real time in less than 10 minutes. So let me show you what the new page looks like. So this is our brand new Meetings Analytics page. As you can see, we are now providing summary insights on the top. So we basically analyze the data that's going on in your organization and provide you with any trends that we may be noticing. And you can easily click on View Insights to understand more and even go down further into the dashboard to really understand what's going on. We have also provided brand new KPIs on the top to give you a quick snapshot of what's going on with your organization. How many people are having really great quality when they're having a meeting? How long is it taking them to join the meeting? These are really important information that you may need to be able to understand how your users are adopting collaboration tools. As you scroll down these pages, you will see that we're providing VoIP quality information by participants, regions, and locations. And you have the option to use contextual filtering and filter this information for any specific criteria that you may need. So you can filter down to a specific country, and the whole page will be updated to showcase the criteria that you're looking for. We also provide trending summary charts throughout the page. As you can see, we are now providing VoIP quality information to you by participants, by connection type, and by platform. We also provide trending information on join meeting time, so you can look and see really how your users are joining the meeting, what platform are they using, and how they're connecting to the meeting. At the bottom of the page, we also provide you with a list of participants who are constantly experiencing poor quality of issues. This is really important because you no longer have to go into troubleshooting every single time to understand which meetings are having an issue. You have the list right in front of you, and you can quickly click on one, and then you'll be directed to troubleshooting to investigate further. We're bringing all of our devices analytics together, so I'm excited to show you our brand new headsets analytics page in Control Hub. Let's see what it looks like. This is our brand new headsets analytics page in Control Hub. As you can see, we are providing you with top KPIs for a quick snapshot of your organization. You'll be able to see a total headset count and how many are active and what the usage is. You can also see usage by country and models. And as you scroll down the page, you're able to see and track trends of active headsets usage over different geos and different model types. We also providing you with in-call use and connection type summary, so you can really understand how headsets are being used in your organization. Let's talk about reports. We've completely redesigned the reports page, and it will show you a very clean report catalog that tells you what each report is for, what kind of data it contains. It also makes it easier for users to filter available reports by name and service. Another great improvement that we've made in Control Hub is that you now have the option to customize your reports. So if you're looking for anything specific, you can custom build that in Webex Control Hub and it will be delivered to you. I also want to mention that we provide APIs for our IT admins to be able to gather the raw data that's in our system and slice and dice it however they want to. They can also import this data into other tools and applications to be able to analyze them for their business. All right, let's talk about troubleshooting. We provide a live meeting dashboard showcasing all the meetings that are currently in progress. So IT admins can quickly identify those that may be experiencing an issue and either join the meeting to experience it themselves or dive down to understand more. We also provide a geographic location view that shows all live meetings and the connected data centers. And we highlight the meetings that may be experiencing a degraded network quality. So you can identify the meeting that may be experiencing an issue and dive down to understand more. We also allow you to set up notifications for your VIP list. You can customize your notification by specific thresholds for your packet loss or latency and receive a notification via email or Webex app when there's an issue going on into the meeting. You can also get ahead of the network problems by reviewing the daily and weekly network metric alerts when the network quality is trending down at a site level or a specific location. Webex Control Hub provides our IT administrators with the tools they need to be able to manage their workloads, no matter if their users are working from home or from the office. This wraps up our demo in Control Hub. Thank you for joining me. For more information, visit webex.com.